Lesson 5, Food and Physical Activity Forecasters, Fast Food Finders. We are going to look at 3 statements. Healthy foods are not available at fast food restaurants. Serving sizes have become smaller over the past 20 years. Milk is not a beverage choice available at a fast food restaurant. Today, we are going to be exploring some misperceptions about food in fast food restaurants. So, the first one is healthy choices can be made at fast food restaurants. Sometimes it's difficult, but it can be done. Serving sizes have increased at fast food restaurants over the past 20 years. They are 2 to 3 times larger than the recommended daily allowance. Although a lot of choices at fast food restaurants are extra foods, you can order milk, juice, or water at a fast food restaurant. Upon completion of this lesson today, you will be able to, number 1, complete a food and daily physical activity record for the second of 3 days, correctly classifying foods and physical activities. Number 2, explain the importance of 60 minutes of moderate to vigorous physical activity each day. Number 3, advocate for healthier food options available at restaurants. And number 4, analyze a day's physical activity for adequate minutes of appropriate levels of activity. Make adjustments as needed to meet your daily requirements. Fast food questions to ask yourself. What types of foods and beverages do you eat at restaurants, especially fast food restaurants? Are any of those foods extra foods? For example, French fries, soda, chips, or cookies? Did you know that there are often nutritious options to choose at fast food restaurants? Which food groups offered at fast food restaurants are you able to trade for extras? If this is my meal, a hamburger, French fries, and a soda, what could I swap it out for to make it healthier? I could swap out my French fries for apple slices, and I could swap out my soda for milk. So now my meal is a 5 out of 5 meal. I have grains, I have fruit, I have vegetables, I have protein, and I have dairy with not a lot of extras. All right, here is the scenario. You and your best friend have decided to start eating better. You are at the mall and you're both hungry, so you go to the food court for some lunch. Your best friend decided she wants a double cheeseburger, fries, and a large soft drink. For dessert, she will be having a churro. I want you to write about how you can help your best friend make better choices. Be sure to include some examples of food that could be traded for healthier choices. And be sure to complete Day 2 of your daily food and beverage record, the water that you've consumed, and your daily physical activity. Class recap. Complete a food and daily physical activity record, correctly classifying foods and physical activities. 60 minutes of moderate to vigorous physical activity is needed every day. When possible, choose healthier, nutritious food options when eating at restaurants. This lesson has been brought to you by the Dairy Council of California, Orange County Department of Education, and Miss Ford.